Welcome back everyone, this is Henry with Guns, Games, and Gadgets channel. In today's video, I got an unboxing, I got a new gun. So let's get to it guys. Alright, let's get this bad boy open up. What? Oh wait, nope, the gun, okay. Alright, this is it. It comes with a bunch of literature and stuff like that. This is a Heritage Rough Rider 22 long rifle. This is for you can go online and get a 22 Magnum cylinder, which I already got now. You can go online and get one. It's only 30 bucks free shipping. You got this stuff. You got, what is this? Oh, instructions manual. Bam. Straighten that up for you guys. Yeah. Oh wait, that's not straighten. Yeah, there we go. Straighten. Okay. Alright, we got the join the bankrupt NRA. I'm good on that. And then we got this. Bam. Good old ATF literature. Alright guys, let's get to the good part. Voila. We got the gun here. Just a FYI, I've already unboxed this and lubed it up and did some stuff to it. Like painted the front sights because the all blacked out stuff is not what I wanted, and this is what it looked like, you know. Let me cock it. Oh wait, hold up, it's kind of hard to do this on camera. Bam. Look at that cowboy shit. Yeah, this gun was on sale for $129.99, so you basically want to open it up. Yeah, open that up. Oh yeah. Oh wait, hold up, it's not cocked back. Hold up guys, it's so hard to do this. 1, 2, okay, and open it up and just look at that. Yeah, look at that sound guys. I mean, listen to it. Yeah, it's a cowboy gun. I love it. The sights, that's good sight picture. You know, you got your white dot, and yes, I used nail polish. Okay, don't judge me guys. Don't judge me at all. So right now, I got the 22 Magnum cylinder in there. You can dry fire it. I mean, I wouldn't do it. Some things that this gun has on it. It has a safety. It's kind of hard to see it, but it has a safety. Just going to wait a minute. The lights. It has a safety right here. So you flip that down. Now it's fire. Yeah, it's red. And then you flip it up. Now it's back on safety. And yes, the gun's unloaded. The ammo is literally right there. So, and basically what the safety does is, see the hammer, and I put it to fire. Wait, hold up. Yeah. What the hell? Hold up. The hammer should fall all the way down. Okay. Alright, that's fire. See how the hammer's already down. Flip it up. See, it just blocks the hammer away from the firing pin. That's it. So, give me 1 second, guys. I'm going to set everything back up. Alright, guys. I'm back. I just made a few adjustments here. Obviously, quite a bit of 22 Magnum right here. It's just hollow points and the little baggie inside is critical defense. And this right here, this is it right here. And you won't believe how much a round is going for in this pandemic. 1 round of this Hornady Critical Defense 22 Magnum, 45 grain. It's going for $1 a round. This is crazy. So I already got that my defensive ammo. It's not in the gun yet, but once I'm done, you know what? I can put. I wish I had snap caps, but I don't. And I don't want to load it while I'm on the camera here. It's a little dangerous. But yeah. This is it, guys. It's a good budget revolver, cowboy gun. It's my first cowboy gun. Oh, wait a minute. And it does come with the see, I keep doing that. Hold up. With the ejector thing, the shell ejector. See? No, you cannot see. There we go. So once you're done shooting, you can eject your shells, and Bam. And then that cylinder right there that you see is that's the 22 long rifle cylinder. It does not come with that. You can get different ones that comes with the cylinder already. I just went ahead and went online to the website and bought the 22 Magnum cylinder, which came in a few days. Like 4 or 5, no. Wait, man, it took about 4 days for it to get here with everything going on, the pandemic and everything. So that's pretty good. So, and then also you can use this orange little cap thing, put it right there, or on the, yeah, you put it right there, and then you can dry fire it like that if you want to. I don't recommend dry firing 22 long rifle or a rimfire gun because it can mess up the hammer and everything else that's inside of the gun. Because this is a cheap gun. It's pretty hefty and everything like that. It feels very good. It's the heaviest pistol I got, and it's 22. Just look at that. Look at that. It's heavy, front heavy. I can't get a good purchase on the gun. We got the trigger. See that? Oh. And then cock it back. There's nothing in it, guys. Click. Bam. See that? Safety was on too. So it got good weights. I mean, if with everything going on with the ammo shortage, and sometimes it's hard to even find 9mm guns, and then 9mm is expensive, and 22 is expensive now as well, but you can find it if you look enough for, the same price as it was pre-COVID and everything else that's going on here. I do got some 22 right there. I got a little bit more than that. I got a lot more than that, actually. I want more 22. You can never have enough 22. I got more 22 Magnum in my Kel-Tec PMR 30 mags. I got 4 of those mags. They all topped off with 30 rounds of 22 Magnum. Most of them just got the FMJs and also these other hollow points right here. And one got a full mag of critical defense. That's $30 for that whole mag. In this age, in this predicament. $30 for a whole mag, 22 Magnum. Like, I mean, you can use 22 Magnum for self-defense. Me personally, if I lost all my guns in a boating accident and that's all I had right there, I would, it's better than nothing. This will definitely put someone the fuck down. 22 Magnum will put someone down. Same as a 22 long rifle. It's all about shot placement, shot placement, shot placement. That's it. I mean, in some cases, with a 22 long rifle, it can bounce off someone's skull and probably give them a concussion. But in reality, it's a bullet. A bullet's a bullet. I know you don't want to get shot with this. I don't want to get shot with this. No one wants to get shot with a damn bullet, especially this. Like, if you get shot with a 22 Magnum, it's gonna be a very bad day for you. But anyway, like I said, if this is the only gun I had, if I lost my guns in a boating accident, which sucked, and this is all I have, it's better than nothing. So, like I said, for the new gun owners that's out there, if you're having issues finding anything, pick that up. This is perfect. This is definitely worth the money. $129. You can also get one that's a 6-inch barrel. That's 4.5-inch barrel, and it comes only with the 22 long rifle. That's what I've been seeing mostly. I haven't been seeing a combo. With the combo, you would be paying $170 for it. But if that's too much, you can buy the 22 Magnum cylinder later, at a later date. But that's up to you. So, like I said, guys, get the guns while you can. I'm stocking up on guns. I got ammo, but I want more ammo, especially 22. I'm trying my best not to shoot up all my bigger calibers because it's very expensive here in my area. The greedy, the price gouging the shit out of all these new people. And I feel bad for them, but at the same time, I don't. I'm glad that they are exercising the Second Amendment right. You better do it while you can. No one's going to take our guns. If they do, then they're going to have a fight. So guys, I'm going to leave it at that. I hope you guys, if you guys are new, consider subscribing. I want to thank all the old subscribers and also the newbies coming into the channel. Make sure you smack that like button, hit that bell, and stay tuned for more videos. So guys, I hope you stay safe. Be aware of surroundings. Carry a gun. Go get some guns. Get prepared. And as always, have a nice day.